Hey, good evening, Mep here, Mep Investments. Hope you all had a nice weekend. I really haven't been doing too many videos. Um, the main reason I haven't been doing too many videos is that just there's not much happening. Um, we have a VIX of 1729, which was up 6% today. So we were basically in the low 16s. I don't know if we got a 15 handle on the VIX, but the problem with the low VIX for a guy like me is that first, the market's complacent. Second, if you go here to bar chart and you look at the IV ranks, there's not a lot of stuff over, let's say, 30. It's just not a lot. I did put some plays on some of these, and I'll do some. I'm gonna do some more individual videos. I'm a little bit more active today. I did like 35. I want to say it was 35 trades. It was 38 trades today. A lot of broken wing butterflies I've been doing. Not being too aggressive at all because of the levels we're at, the VIX, and just not being negative, just not trusting the big rally. Can we go higher? Sure, but sometimes you don't have to be trading or invested. You could pick your spots. I choose to pick my spots. I'm not really a passive investor. Um, and I'm just picking my spot and I'm waiting for better opportunities. So don't always have to trade. So that's why I haven't been too active with the videos, um, etc. Just taking a lot of relaxing time. I'm watching the markets and engage, and I decided that I wasn't doing many trades. I said, well, let me put on some trades, but very, very small trades, minuscule, $50, $100 trades, nothing big, just small stuff, to stay engaged and stay in tune with the markets, because that helps you keep staying aware and grabbing and seizing the opportunities when you see them. But besides that, just enjoying the family, enjoying the free time. I was laid off. Some of you don't know me, back in November, and I'm getting the unemployment. I can live with that. I'm happy. Um, Doing good with my one of the goals that I have by the end of the year. Besides doing good in the trading, which last year was a great year, and I want to say this quarter I had a great quarter. Uh, I've made as much as a person makes in this quarter, and that, yeah, basically this quarter, 4 months, um, what a person makes in a year. So can't complain about that on the trading front. And one of the other, I'm doing a video. What's up? On the health wise, from one of the goals that I personally have is to take the time to get my weight down, and I'm almost down 35 pounds, so I'm really happy about that. Today I rode, and that's very important for trading, is getting that exercise in, keeps you sharp. I did about 4 or 5 miles on the bike today. I did my push-ups. I did my tricep, and did some walking, walked the dog. So just trying to be real active and real focused on the diet as well. It's very important. So my goal is to get down to uh, to two to the 230s by my 45th birthday, which will be in soon, be next in May 8th. So got a couple weeks. Uh, 1, 2, 3, more or less 3 weeks, more or less, almost. So trying to see if I can drop those 5 pounds. It'll be tough, but little by little, I would like to see the 239 mark. Um, and my final goal will be like 220. I would like to be at 220. There's one time I did it back, I want to say back in 17. I was at 280. I'm about 6 feet, and pretty wide guy. I got down to I got up to 280. Very bad, very heavy, very bad. I was working out, but I was just eating everything. Big big dude, um, but big belly and stuff, back pain and stuff. But I was lifting heavy, and that just wasn't working out. So I changed my diet, and I got down to 220 pounds, so 60-pound drop. So I would like to do that again and just not deviate from the plan, stay on that plan, and it's a lifestyle. So, and training can be a lifestyle too. Just like the diet, you have to stay mechanical in your process and in your methodology of trading, just like your diet. Keep it simple. Keep your diet simple. Keep your trading simple. If you see opportunities, take them. If it's not there and you don't see it, it's okay not to trade. As long as you did okay and you got some cash and you can stand by and wait for opportunities, it's okay to do that. So the Dow Jones was down a little bit today, a buck 23, and it's hovering that 34,000 mark. The S&P is 4163, incredible, and there's people talking about going to 4,500. It's just amazing. Um, I don't know if some of you know, I got laid off in November and I'm looking for, something that might work for me job front wise. But the jobs are they're just horrible, man. The pay is horrible. Uh, it's just, I don't know. It's really bad. I hope it gets better by next year. I probably, I'll keep looking to find the right opportunity. But from what it's looking like, I think I'll be taking a break for the rest of the year. But anyways, the Nasdaq was down 1%, and we have some earnings on the Nasdaq front this week. I think Netflix is the first one. I think, and the small caps got hit pretty hard today, down 1.36 to 2232. The Nasdaq's under 14K, and I talked about the VIX jumping up a little bit today. We got a little bit of a sell-off, but all markets are all-time highs. Dow Jones all-time highs, S&P all-time highs, Nasdaq making all-time highs. The one that's not participating in the party is the small caps. The small caps, I want to say the high was 2350, more or less, on that front. Let me see, 20. I want to say it was 2350 on the Nasdaq. Let's see here, IWM. No, I'm sorry. We're gonna go with slash RTY. 2366 was the high. This is a 33-day chart. A 30-day chart, sorry. Yeah. So by day, I think that was the high, 2366. So it's more than 100 points below that. We got the futures here to the left-hand side. Bitcoin's under some pressure again. Let's pull up the dollar. The dollar's getting walloped again. And I had mentioned in my previous videos that the dollar would hit a resistance about 94 bucks, and now it's coming back down. So let's see if it can hold the 91 handle. If not, I think we might test that. Let's pull up another chart here. Oh, what? Sorry. Time frame. What can we go time frame? Hey, where's the time frame here? Chart settings. Time. So we're gonna look at, let's see, 90-day, and let's do, okay. So yeah, this is a 90-day, 12-hour chart. 89 was the low in the 89.20 in the 90-day chart. So we'll see here. This is a key level, hold 91, and now we might test, the 90. Let's see what happens. I would expect with all the deficit spending and all the money printing that the dollar is going to weaken. Bitcoin is down again, and it was down during the regular session. Bitcoin hit a high of 65K, if I'm not mistaken. Hit 65K and it reversed big time. And now we're at under 55K. So 90-day chart in Bitcoin was 17,000. It's had a run up to 65,000. That's just incredible. Oil is 63.55 over 63. S&P 4160. Gold 1768. Now gold broke out of that 1750 area. Uh, gold got sold off in the 90 days from 2 grand pretty much down all the way to 1673. But every time it got under 1600, it was a great buying opportunity. It popped back up to 17 over 17 quick. Really didn't hold that 16 handle. It would pop back up, and it was range bound for a while between 1725 and 1750 that I would say in my videos. And now we're getting some bids here in the gold. So now, let's see if we can get back into the 1800s. As the dollar decreases, I can see this going into the 1800s and higher. The meats have pulled back. Good thing, because we can take a break on higher meat prices. Hogs were down. Feeders were down today, and cattle was pretty much flat. S&P's flat after hours. Nasdaq's up 13, under 14K, and the Dow Jones is over 34K. It popped up today after hours. It was under 34K. It popped up on IBM's earnings. I guess they must have reported decent numbers or something, and they popped up. Platinum and palladium doing well. Palladium up 2,800 and platinum back over 1,200. Silver right under that 26 handle, and it's way above that 25 handle that I was just chopping along, basing at. VIX down a little bit. The grains are holding up nicely, and the bonds are down a little bit. And you know my 2 cents on interest rates. I think they will go higher. On the trade front, I did about 38 trades today. A lot of broken wing butterflies. And I'll probably do individual videos. I haven't been doing many videos, but I might do some individual videos on the on some of the broken wing butterflies, because broken wing butterflies tend to work in low IV environment, high IV environment, medium IV environment. So they work okay in this environment, and you can do them for credits. You do them for small credits, and you're just staying pretty much engaged in the markets. So I was like, hey, let me just stay engaged and not fully just take a vacation and keep watching the markets. So I'll do some videos on some of the ones I did. On the news front, I know Nvidia was down today, and I did a broken wing butterfly in them because of the ARM deal. Then this is the news bot from TD. Peloton was having some issues with the treadmill and kids, so that one was under pressure today. Tesla had a problem with the car that crashed and killed 2. I did a broken wing butterfly as well when it was down earlier today. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I don't think there was a lot of economic news. We'll take a look at that. I don't want to make this video too long. Let's see here. There's a lot of stuff going on with Russia. Travel ban on UK travel to India said to be imminent. They're talking about a lot of travel bans. Russian jets intercept U.S. and Norwegian pirate patrol aircraft over Barents Sea. So, you know, there's some conflict with Russia, and they keep coming up on the news. U.S. ready to lift sanctions. This is at 9:39, so this is early news on Iranian nuclear deal. Russians say that Sputnik vaccine is 97.6 effective in real-world study. And Fed buying all the bonds. Fauci, all 3 vaccines, including Johnson & Johnson, are highly effective in clinical trials. I haven't taken the vaccine. My wife and kid got the virus, and I didn't get it. Thank God, and thank God they're okay. The only thing is, my wife doesn't really have her sense of taste back 100% or smell, which that's a bummer. So please keep her in your prayers. Hopefully, she gets that back soon. Um, Diesel shortages in Ukraine. What else? iHeartRadio announced exclusive podcast partnership with NFL. Yeah, some earnings. Oh no, we got tomorrow. We have Travelers. We got Procter and Gamble in the morning. Johnson and Johnson. We got some. We're getting into earnings season. Some of the tobacco stocks got hit today. Mo and Philip Morris. The Biden administration was saying that they want lower nicotine on the cigarettes. 16 minutes into this video, probably cut it off at 20, maybe make it short, and then I'll do some maybe trading stocks. Um, I think Google's supposed to buy Fitbit. I don't know if that finally got approved by EU. Facebook CEO states that they're working on a short-term audio version of Reels. Uh, Biden states he's willing to compromise on infrastructure. Let's see. I don't think there was any big. United Airlines was supposed to report earnings. Oh, they reported here after hours. I don't know what they did. Let's take a look over you. It was IBM. The only ones that really were reporting was that I saw was them and IBM. So they got hit a little bit after hours. I did a put calendar on them. So I sold the 50 that expires this Friday, and I bought the one that's 32 days out. More or less at the expected move, $6. And also did it. No, in American Airlines, I just bought a put out in May, 32 days out. Just small engagement trades. I think it was like $60, $67. Small trades just to be engaged in the earnings season. Um, Let me see here. This one don't have it like economy. Here we go. Maybe we got some economic news here. I don't think there was much today on the economic front. No, there wasn't much. Not much. Um, Wall Street braced for digital dollar as the next big disruptive force. Here's some news here. Stocks set to dip in China's benchmark leading rate release ahead. Let me see Asia. So the Nikkei's down 1.76%. Shanghai's flat. I don't see the Hang Seng any. Kramer was talking on some stocks here. Musk says autopilot was not enabled in the Tesla crash in Texas. We talked about the tobacco stocks. Biden is planning to cut nicotine in the cigarettes so they're less addictive. IBM beats across the board, post revenue growth for 4 quarters of declines. Chanos is a big short seller. He's out there saying that to short IBM. I don't know. What else here? Wasn't really a big day. It's been pretty boring market. That's why I've been doing some small trades, just trying to stay engaged. Um, yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Probably got a 20-minute mark here almost. But yeah, the trend is still higher. Let's see if we get a pullback. Um, like I said, I did 38 trades. I did one in Micron. I bought a Gold Future, FLMD, Shop, RMO, Tulio, Mattel, HYLN, M-Phase, Copen, Tapestry, Trade Desk, F-Sly, Caesars, Nike, Nvidia, Fisker, Moderna, Twitter, American and United, which I talked to you guys about, QuantaScape, Riot, Mara. These were some more sold futures for hedging. DD is a 3D play. GameStop, UAV is a drone play. Alfira is a marijuana play. Hog, Corn, Clean, Tesla, and some futures. So just small trades to stay engaged, get little credits here and there, and see if maybe something can materialize. But you know, it's not a big deal. Just more of an engagement tool until we get a nice pop in the IV. I don't like my risk reward here. That's just me. Um, and anyways, I'll do some individual trades, you know, like I'll do a video like on broken wing butterfly, and maybe on a calendar, maybe do a future trade. I know some of you have liked those videos on the trades. Anyways, like the video, share the video. I think I'm up to like almost 280. I've been pretty stuck because I haven't been doing many videos, but that's okay. And I'm growing the channel little by little, and eventually it'll, you know, get to my goal on my channel is to get to 1,000 and then go from there. But it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, little by little. I just started the channel not even a year ago, and you know, making progress a day at a time. Anyway, stay safe, and share the video, like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.